So good morning YouTube and welcome back to a new episode. Today is a really good day because I'm doing my first off-road tracks here in the Alps and I met some lovely Swiss people. I had a good night with them, laughed a little bit, like a lot. But yeah, it's going to be an absolute beast of a day. Normally I should say like I'm riding alone, but I met these people and another German guy, and they want to come and ride with me, so that's always nice. So yeah, we're going to have a blast today. Getting the drone ready, everything is packed, all my materials are in my tent, so I'm not riding with my bags, like as light as possible can be. Well, yeah, so next time you will see me, then we are already up in the mountains. So please enjoy this video and don't forget, if you like it, don't forget to subscribe, push the little bell notification for a new video because that's going to be happening every once in a week. Thank you very much and let's go! Our journey continues. It was a great idea to stop and have a day off on the bike because I'm fully reloaded, new energy, like really a clear mind now again. So we are starting this day with Colle de Finestre. It starts with a little bit of tarmac and then after some kilometers it is going to get into some gravel roads. So an easy start of the day, an easy start of our off-road adventure. Why not? Oh, it's going to be so fun today. I'm really looking forward to it. So now you saw the Colle Finestre. That was a good run to start the morning with. And there, like in the distance there, you can see Colle dell'Assietta. And that's also like a pretty nice pass to do. It goes a little bit higher. It's a little bit more difficult, but no worries. I have my elder with me. But it's nice. It's nice to have these guys with me, to take them with me, so they can enjoy riding off-road on a safe way. It's his first time that he's doing this, so he already mentioned like, okay, not too fast. I just want to enjoy it, and it's a good way to do that. It's also good for me, so I keep my pace a little bit more like relaxed. No, I'm not going as fast as I normally go. Yeah, I like it.
As the sun climbed higher in the sky, casting golden light across the rugged peaks, I found myself on Colle dell'Assietta, a breathtaking route that seems to wave its way through the clouds. It was my first time riding a true gravel track this holiday on the bike. And let me tell you, it felt like pure freedom. The crunch of the gravel under the tires, the occasional bounce of the suspension, it was like the trail was inviting me to push just a little bit harder, lean in just a little bit further. But there is something magical about days like this. You set out to document the journey, to capture the essence of the ride for others to see. And then you get lost in the moment. It's as if the camera becomes a distraction, and all you want to do is feel the wind, hear the engine, and soak in the raw beauty around you. The camera stayed tucked away most of the time. Sorry for that. But in those moments, I didn't mind. This ride wasn't about the perfect shot, it was about being present. The Assietta offered endless views of peaks and lush valleys that seemed to stretch on forever. The gravel snaked ahead, sometimes narrow and challenging, other times wide and open and inviting. I couldn't help but grind inside my helm. I was in the zone, one with the bike, the trail, and the adventure itself. Earlier, we conquered Colle Finestre, and that's truly a masterpiece of nature and engineering, like the switchbacks that are zigzagging their way up to the mountainside. Between the two passes, we had a little bit of road, but yeah, nice, beautiful. We spent nearly 4 hours for this trip, so Colle Finestre and Colle dell'Assietta within 4 hours. But adventure isn't just about the ride, it's also about knowing when to pause, soak in the moment, and enjoy the company you find along the way. As the clouds began to gather and the air turned cooler, I knew it was time to head back to camp. Sure, I could kept riding, even through the rain, no problems. But sometimes it's about balance. And in that moment, balance looked like a cold pint and a good conversation. Tomorrow? Well, the adventure continues. We'll be tackling Colle de Sommelier. And don't forget, Mount Jaffrou. Two giants that promise more incredible riding and no doubt a few surprising along the way. But for now, it's time to rest. Reflect and be grateful for the days like this. Thanks for coming along this journey. Until next time, I see you in the wild.